Samsung's Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic bring several upgrades over their predecessors, but does this include improvements to the battery life? The Galaxy Watch 6 series doesn't include a Pro model this time around. Both the Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic are more similar than different, with the main distinguishing feature being the Watch 6 Classic's larger case size and rotating bezel. Both the Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic feature an always-on display, and despite the usefulness of this feature, it can have a big impact on battery life. As per Samsung, users can expect 30 hours of usage with the always-on display turned on and 40 hours with the always-on display turned off. Surprisingly, these numbers are lower than the Galaxy Watch 5's claimed 50 hours of usage. It's possible that Samsung has used more conservative estimates with the Watch 6, given that the Galaxy Watch 5 doesn't last close to 50 hours in real-life usage. The Galaxy Watch 6 comes in 40mm and 44mm case sizes, while the Watch 6 Classic is available in 43mm and 47mm sizes. The size of the battery on the smaller models of both smartwatches is 300 mAh, while the larger models have a 425 mAh battery. Even though the Watch 6 Classic is larger, the display and battery size is the same as the Watch 6, resulting in no differences in battery life. The Galaxy Watch 6 series comes with a USB-C magnetic charger, but doesn't include a charger in the box. As for the charging speeds, there's no improvement over the Galaxy Watch 5. Samsung says a 30-minute charge will top up about 45% of the battery when used with a 10-watt charger. The Galaxy Watch 6 also supports fast charging, with an 8-minute charge resulting in 8 hours of usage. The Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic also support wireless Powershare, which allows Galaxy smartphone users to charge them via reverse wireless charging. Wireless Powershare is available on most flagship Galaxy smartphones, allowing users to place accessories like smartwatches, earbuds, and more on the back of the smartphone to charge their battery. This is a convenient solution in the event Galaxy Watch 6 users don't have access to a charger. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.